Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Here we are in Mesa, Arizona. And this owner of this particular house in Mesa has a 1958 Chevy Apache. It's a four-wheel drive. He said it's a great truck, uses it for work. He's very happy that he gets about 8 miles to a gallon on the highway and probably around 5-6 in the city. So it is a pretty nice truck. Very nice truck. If you don't mind spending $150 a week on gas, you can see it is a pretty nice and solid. Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at the project we are working on today. We are doing a sanding and refinishing of the original wood floors. Probably remove and replace about 4 to 5 planks. And here it is, beautiful wood floor. So these are the planks we'll be replacing. Termite damage, broken. And this is the kitchen right here. We'll be sanding or finishing this 90-year-old floor. And as you can see, the kitchen is very nice and original also. The fine Mexican tile. And let's go ahead and nice wooden beams, and this is it. You're gonna have a lot of spots where it stand out from the pet stains, but that's okay. We'll still do a nice job by restoring it. And you can see it's in pretty rough condition. Well, very rough condition. And here in the main area, I guess this is gonna be a master bedroom. And that was an addition, and it had concrete under there. And homeowner suggested that we just leave it like that, and they put a laminate over it. And yeah, he's gonna put a reducer here. It's just gonna look very choppy with the half bedroom laminate, half wood. And this is the closet, same thing. We suggested installing wood, and they said no, we'll go ahead and put laminate over it. It's less expensive, which is fine. We'll do our part in sanding and refinishing it. So give us a call today, 602-446-2613. We are located in Phoenix, Arizona, but we do handle the whole state of Arizona for any of all your sanding and refinishing projects. And over here we do have a bathroom that is a work in progress. And this is the old phone holder from back in the days when we used to have regular phones with a landline. And this right here is the guest bedroom. You can see, we'll probably have a lot of pet stains. They're hidden underneath there. So, it'll still turn out great. It's just gonna be a lot of pet stains. This is in a bathroom that they did an addition. They added this bathroom here, a little fiberglass shower, probably a sink there, and yep, toilet there. So you come in, sit right on the toilet. And let's go and do one more walkthrough. Might have been a closet here at one time. We took it out, that's why there's a line there. And there's the backyard. It is just a bit messy, which is fine. Let's go focus on the wood floors. What's the call today? Find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you.